Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Netflix app is updated and you're signed in. This prevents hidden UI differences. On your phone, open the camera or a QR scanner app and point it at the code on the TV or website. Once the camera recognizes the QR, tap the notification to open the Netflix deep link. Make sure you're on the correct profile if multiple users share the account. Selecting the right profile preserves recommendations and viewing history as you proceed. After tapping the QR notification, Netflix will present an authentication or device pairing screen. Follow the prompts. If it asks to confirm the device or enter a code, copy that code into the TV or web prompt. This establishes trust between devices. If a sign-in prompt appears, use your credentials and then select the desired profile. Once authenticated, Netflix often opens directly to the content or casting menu. Keep the phone near. Now tap play or cast to start streaming. The TV or target device should respond and begin playback. If it doesn't, make sure both devices are on the same network and that Netflix has camera, network, and casting permissions. Once done, restart the Netflix app or rescan the QR code. This often clears transient pairing errors. If problems persist, sign out and back in on both devices or reboot the router. These steps reset sessions and usually resolve stubborn authentication or connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.